Hey you guys, I'm just making this video really quick to give you some instructions on how to use this biointeractive activity that I've given you this week. It's kind of a lot to click and figure it out on your own, so you're welcome. I'm making this for you. Anyways, I'm going to give you a link that's going to take you to this site, and what you're going to do is click this Launch Interactive button. Oh, let's leave. I was playing with it a bit before. Okay, it's going to take you to this page. And you want to click Get Started or skip Intro if you want to live dangerously. It's up to you. When you click Get Started, it's just going to give you a little bit of background on what this is. Okay, so it's giving you a little brief description on what are Earth systems, which you should already know by now. It's going to talk a little bit more about some other things. You should definitely just read this when you get into it. Okay, so then it's going to bring you here. It'll give you a little tutorial, but that's what I'm doing. I would suggest that you start with a cause of change. You're going to click this little cause of change button at the bottom, and it's going to give you all these different tools that you can use. And these are just describing different things that can happen in the environment. And what you're going to do is pick one, and you're going to drag it onto this little slice of earth you've been given. I'm going to pick, let's go with burning of fossil fuels for my example. And I'm going to stick it right here by this factory. It looks like they're burning some fossil fuels there. Once I've done that, I have my first one, and I need to connect it to something else. So we're going to go over down here to where it says how the Earth system works. And now I have all these new options of Earth systems. We have carbon cycle, which we did this week. We have greenhouse effect is a good one, nitrogen cycle, all kinds of things in here, photosynthesis. There's a lot. Let's go with greenhouse effect for my example. Once you have two things on there, like it's telling you, you can go to this line tool, click that, and go from one to the other. And once you do that, you can put it in a description. So burning fossil fuels increases the greenhouse effect. So boom, I have one done. Once you have two, you want to link one more thing at least, and that's going to be the blue measurable changes. Let's go with, there's so many. Oh, let's ignore that. Sorry, Jessica. Let's go with, I don't know. There's just too many. I'm looking for air temperature. I know that's one of them. Anyways, I'm doing too much right now. Oh, it was the first one. They're alphabetical. There you go. Okay, so I'm going to go with air temperature. We're going to link these two together once again, put in a description. When we increase the greenhouse effect, we increase air temperature. And boom, that's basically it. That's all I'm going to ask you to do. I want you can include my example if you like, but what I want you to do is 5 more of your own. It's going to take some brain power. It's going to take some thinking. So I want you to use the information you got from the videos you watched this week. You can even ask me for help because I'm still here to help you. Use your study groups if you're in a study group. All these things. Work together. Do what you got to do. But I want to see 5 more examples outside of this just to show me that you understand Earth systems. This is your quiz for today, for this week, whenever. And that is all. Okay, so let me know if you have any questions at all or any concerns, thoughts, complaints, whatever. Let me know. I will be here.